Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about what is the color of normal tympanic membrane. It is pearly white in color. The most mobile part of the tympanic membrane is the peripheral part. The central part is attached to the lateral process of malleus, so it is an attached part. So the peripheral part or pericentral part is most mobile part. Pars flaccida of the tympanic membrane is also called as sharpenel membrane. Reisner's membrane and basilar membrane are the membranes which are seen in the internal ear. Reisner's membrane divides the scala vestibuli. So Reisner's membrane will separate the scala vestibuli and scala media, whereas the basilar membrane will separate the scala media and scala tympani. Thank you and thank you for watching.